Hello students. Today we are talking about sorting data in MS Excel. Okay, sorting data in a MS Excel. That means sorting data. That means what? Sorting data. That means arrange your data. That means you enter any number on in a MS Excel on your MS Excel worksheet. Worksheet. That means what? You can see on my screen. Yes, it is called worksheet. Okay, that means the new page. When you create a new page in a MSL, it's called worksheet. Okay, worksheet. So now we are discussing sorting data. Okay, so sorting data, that means arrange your data in a MS Excel worksheet. Okay, so suppose I want to use value. Suppose I want to use 78 or 65, 23, 89, 56 and 34. Okay, so you can see my column number. So with my lowest number you can see smallest number 34. Okay, and after 23, yes, sorry, 23 is smallest number. Yes, and 34 next, and next 56, 65, 70 and 18. Okay, so I want to use sorting data in this column. Okay, so I know 23 is the smallest number. Okay, next 34, next 56, 89. So I can use sorting data in this column, and you can show automatically smallest to arrange this data smallest to largest number. Okay, or largest to smallest number. Then you can use sorting data. You can see on my screen that you can use home tab. Okay, it is called home tab. It's called tab. Okay, you can see insert page layout formula data review view. Okay, so I want to use home tab, and next I want to use sorting and filtering data. So you can easily use this sort largest to smallest and sort smallest to largest, but I cannot use it. So I can use filtering option. Okay, sorry, just wait, custom sort. Okay, so you can see sorting data 70. No, just a wrong. Okay, and now you can see sort data filter option. Okay, so when I am use sort data custom sort. Okay, sorry, just mistakenly. Okay, so now sort data. So column B. Yes, this one is column B. Yes, correct. Column B. Already you know column, that means what? E, and horizontal means what? Horizontal means you can see on my screen 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called horizontal, and B, C, D, E, that is called column. Okay. So now I can already use that column B 70 number, and already enter this number in this column B. Okay. So I can use sort by column B, because already I have used this column number. Okay, so you can see sort by which column B. Okay, so I have already selected it. Okay, so now sort on values. Yes, because value, sort on values, because 70, 64, 23, 18, it is a value. So sort on values. Okay, so order smallest to largest number, which you want to shortest this value, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Suppose I want to use smallest to largest. Okay, and after you click on OK button, and you can see on my screen shortest data smallest to smallest to largest. Okay, so you can see 23 is smallest, 34, 56, 65, 70, 89. Okay, I hope understood everyone. And now I will again sorted data in a alphabetically value. Okay, so alphabetically value. Suppose I want to use any name, just like a laptop, keyboard, mouse, web camera. See, web camera. Suppose joystick. Okay, so I want to use this column sorting data. You can see my column name is D. Yes, so select which you want to sort it data. Suppose row name is 7. Yes, up to 7 to 10 11 row. Okay, so I want to use this sorting data which I want to use. So already use select it, and you can use home tab, and now you can use filter and sort and filter option. Okay, and you can easily use this sort A to Z or Z to A. Okay, but I can use filtering option, sorry, custom sort option. Okay, so you can easily sort a data without custom sort. Okay, you can see sort A to Z or Z to A, but I know it's very easy, so you can use custom sort data. Okay, so you can easily use it. So sort by which column? I want to use column D. You can see automatically selected this column. Okay, column D, and sort of values. Yes, this is a value. Yeah, laptop keyboard. This is a value. Okay, so I want to use order A to Z. Alphabetically arrange this value in a column D. Okay, so you can use A to Z, or you can also use Z to A. But I want to use A to Z alphabetically arrange this data in column D. Okay, so order this A to Z and click on OK button. Okay, you can see on my screen alphabetically arrange this data, arrange it value in column D. Okay, because J a value, you can see J E K L M W. Yes, so I hope everyone understood. Okay, now I can use column sorting. So column sorting already use it. Okay, so column that is called column. Okay, you know already that is called column and that is called row. Okay, so usually when you sort data in Excel, you sort the row and put them in defined order. Okay, you could sort the row in a customer list by the customer names in column. Similarly, you might need to sort a list horizontally to put the column in different order. So step by step, how can I use sort data in a worksheet, MS worksheet? Okay, so you can see page number 31. Okay, step number 1, select all the columns that you want to sort. So already use it, just I repeat again. Okay, and step 2, on the ribbon home tab. Ribbon home tab, that means this one. Yes, home tab. So click sort and filter. You can I can already use it. Okay, and filter, and then click on custom sort. Okay, click on custom sort, but you can easily use it sort A to Z or Z to E. Okay, but this book is topic actually how can I use sorting data in alphabetically or any numerical value. Okay, so you can use first time home tab. After you select the option sort and filter data and select the custom sort option. Okay, custom sort option, and after in the sort dialog box, you can see sort dialog box. This is a blank cell actually. So when I sorted data, you can select this cell. After you click on sort and data, and custom sort. Okay, you can see my sorted dialog box is appear here. Yes, so dialog box, click on option. In the sort option dialog box, click sort left to right. Click sort left to right, then click on OK. But I already use it column D or values. Okay, so you can also use it which you want to column sorted data. Automatically selected this column in this sorted dialog box. Okay, so step 5, from the sort by drop down list, click on row 1 because that's where the heading are located. Click on OK, sort the column. You can also see, suppose I want to use Z to A, arrange this data. So you can use order Z to A and click on OK. You can see W M L K Y. Okay. Next, sorting using multiple columns. Sorting using multiple columns. Okay. So MS Excel, we can also sort data using multiple columns. We will sort a table with personnel data. First, the data will be sorted by name, then by class, and then by blood group. Okay. So you can also use sorting using multiple columns. Okay. So when you use multiple columns, you can select multiple columns and click on home tab, and same process sorting data and custom sort. You can see. Okay. Sorting data. Just wait. On the ribbon home tab, click sort and filter and the click custom sort. On the Excel ribbon, click the data tab. In the sort and filter group, click the sort button. Click the add label button to add the first sorting label. Add label button. So I can use add label button, custom sort, add label button. Okay. You can see then column D. Column D, that means what? This one, yes, column D. But number is with column B. Yes, so I can use B column D. Okay. So you can see sort by column D, this one column D. Okay, and then by column B. That means this column. Okay. So sort by values, yes, correct value, and order to this one. Suppose you can sorted data alphabetically, then you can use A to Z or Z to A. Okay, so I want to use A to Z arrange this data in this column. So I want to use A to Z. Okay, and after you click, after you select the values order, so you can see values 2334 is smallest to largest, already sorted this data in this column. Okay, so I can use largest to smallest, then you can select largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Suppose I want to use largest to smallest and click on OK, and you can see, yes, this column value is sorted. Okay, alphabetically sorted, and this column value is largest to smallest sorted. You can see 89 is largest, 78, 65, 56, 34 and 23. Yes, correct? Okay. Then click the add label button to add the first sorting label. From the sort by drop down, select the first column you want to sort. Okay. Already same process, already we are used in this sorting data in worksheet. Okay, but this topic is sorting using multiple columns. Okay, sorting using multiple columns. Okay, so in this example I will the first sorted. So I want to use some example of this topic. You can see, suppose I want to use name. Okay, suppose subject name, and to use subject name math, computer, and total marks. Okay, and total marks. Okay, so you can see I want to give some name. Suppose Ajay. Okay, next Ruben. Next Kailash. Next Manas. Okay, next Brinda. Next Sumya. Okay, and last one, next suppose Kartik. Okay, so you can see my value is not sorted in this column. Yes, because alphabetically not sorted, because A is fasted alphabetically. Yes, I know. R is lasted, I think, S, K, you can see. Okay, and math value, suppose Ajoy last year he got math subject marks to 98. Okay, and Robin suppose 78, Kailash 98, Manas 97. Suppose Brinda last exam she got 98 in this subject. Okay, 76 and Kartik suppose 92. Okay, and computer subject 78, 97, Manoj, he got last exam suppose 87. Okay, in the 97 is cancelled. Yes, 99%. Okay, Sumia, he got last exam 98. Okay, and Kartik 87. Okay, so total mark is, I want to use formula. Okay, you can see equal SUM, sum means summation. Okay, and I want to use the bracket score. Okay, 17016 total marks. Okay, so I want to use sorted data. Just do it. Okay, you can see. Okay, okay, so I want to use sorted data in multiple columns. So how can I use? You can see multiple columns. Okay, and after you home tab, click on home tab and click on sorted and filter and custom sort. Okay, so you can see sorted by which column you want to sort it. Suppose I want to use column A. Okay, and values, yes, order A to Z, yes, correct. Then by column B. Okay, because numbers so largest to smallest, no, smallest to largest. Okay, and add label after column C. Okay, values smallest to largest, yes, smallest to largest, and after D, column D, this one, yes, this column values and smallest to largest, and you can click on OK button. Sorry, actually I want to this one. I want to use this. I want to select this column. Okay, select this table. Actually, I already use it name and math. Okay, so again I will repeat. Sort data, custom sort, add label, which you want to sort it. Column A, value A to Z, yes. Column B, yes, value largest equals no. I want to use equals to largest, add label, which column you want to sort it. Suppose I want to use column C, this one, yes. So smallest to largest, yes, smallest to largest, and next add label which you want to use. Suppose I want to use column D, value smallest to largest, and click on OK. You can see my table is sorted. Yes, you can see alphabetically this column is alphabetically sorted, and this column is smallest to largest, this column is smallest to largest, and this column is smallest to largest sorted. Yes, okay. Okay, so after next video we will discuss filter. Okay, in worksheet, how can we use filter in a worksheet. Okay, so now bye bye.